How to redeem MGM Rewards free play at a slot machine. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. So, what is a free play in MGM Rewards? It is an exclusive loyalty currency used at all MGM resorts destinations that rewards players with free slot or video lottery terminal play on their MGM Rewards card for use in participating. Now, to redeem, there are different places redemption. So, for Las Vegas, insert your MGM Rewards card into a slot or video machine, wait for the welcome message, and press yes. When PIN appears on the display, enter your 4-digit PIN, press yes on the keypad located on the front of the machine, and 2 to access free play. Your available free play balance will display. Activate your free play by inserting a ticket. And it may vary according to the location, so make sure you view all of these redemption process of different location. The first was Los Angeles, and here you'll find all the different locations like Empire City Casino and all these. This is how to redeem MGM Rewards free play at a slot machine. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.